Alright, so today we are going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of shoes, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to J. Cole, obviously, with 1985, one of my favorite J. Cole songs. Go listen to it, it's amazing. And yeah, let's take a look at these shoes. Alright, so obviously we are going to be taking a look at the RS Dreamer mids, and before we actually get into the shoe, man, look at the box. I think the box looks amazing. Let me spin it around. You see J. Cole just dunking. We have the clouds, you have the Dreamer logo. Like, it's just a super cool box. And there's a size tag. I got a size 9. That's what I suggest getting. And here, if you want to see the size conversions, pause the video. And yeah, let's just take a look at these shoes, man. I think these are super nice. These only got announced like I think a week or two before they were gonna come out, and I think that's why they didn't, I guess, do as well as maybe like the low did. These sat, and I think the lows did sell out initially, but I kind of like that they sat. They were very easy to get, and that's great when it comes to a sneaker, man. Like, the last thing I want to do is actually like not get the sneaker I want, so I'm glad I was able to get it. Retail is, if I'm being honest, I don't remember. I think it was like 150 or something, which isn't too bad. And here, let me spin the shoe around for you guys. So here, let me show you guys the shoe. On the upper, you have like a nice nubuck, you have a mesh, you have a little 3M circle right there. You also have another piece of like nubuck is suede right there. A little piece of plastic, some rope, you have the Dreamer logo. And I'm not gonna lie, these shoes look really like chunky. Like, the midsole is like really big. Like, that's the only thing like I see that I don't really like 100% really like. And there's also one other thing, this part right here, I don't like it. I think personally this part makes it look really ugly, but that's the only part I don't like. I think from this point of view it looks fire, from this side it looks amazing, from the back it looks amazing, but I just don't like this part. I'm sure there's a reason why it's here for breathability. You can see all of it right there. By the way, this is nubuck. I don't know, I just don't like that part. I really don't. That's the only part I don't like, and that's, if I'm being honest, one of the main reasons I almost considered not picking up the shoe. But man, fuck it, I was like, may as well. Here, let me show you guys the tongue. Actually, you see the RS, what is that, RSD? Yeah, so RS Dreamer. See the insole, you can't really see it, but I think it's just an all black insole that says the Puma logo on it. And yeah, these are super nice, man. I'm glad I was able to pick them up. They should be sitting pretty much everywhere, and if you have like an extra $150, I think you should get them. I'm not sure how good they are basketball wise. The bottom, I think the traction looks pretty good. They're pretty comfortable. Yeah, I don't know how they would do on court. I just don't play basketball, so I can't like test it out or anything, but like just aesthetically these look super nice. And yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's take a look at these on feet.